how to enable bold in compass on Samsung A27. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display. After click on display and scroll down and click on edge panels. After click on edge panels, turn on this button. After turn on this button, click on panels. After click on panels, select tools. After select tools, and you will see built-in compass is enabled. After the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.